Hey everyone! Welcome to Tidal Falls Preserve in Hancock, Maine, also called the Reversing Falls. This spot is one of the coolest natural wonders on the East Coast. Why? Because the river here actually switches direction with the tide. Yup, a river that flows backward. You really have to see it to believe it. So here's what's happening. At the beach, you've probably noticed water levels rising and falling. That's the tide, like the ocean breathing in and out. And it's all thanks to gravity, especially the moon's pull. Even from so far away, the moon is strong enough to move trillions of gallons of water on Earth. Crazy, right? At Tidal Falls, you can watch that force in action. When the tide is high, ocean water rushes upstream into the Taunton River. The current is so strong it pushes the river backward. And when that happens, the waterfall here flips too, flowing in reverse. It feels like nature's magic trick happening right in front of you. Low tide is perfect for exploring. Tide pools pop up, and you might see starfish, mussels, or little fish in the shallow pools. Kids love it because it's like an outdoor science lab, and adults love it too, because you're literally watching the moon's pull in action. It's both fun and kind of mind-blowing. When the tide rolls back in, the scene changes again. Look at the rocks. Green algae waves under the water. Starfish cling tight, and sometimes crabs hide in little cracks. High tide lasts 3 to 4 hours and happens a few times each day. So you can hang out long enough. You can catch the full cycle more than once. One of the best views is from the bridge. At high tide, the water rises so much it feels like the bridge is floating. Waves swirl underneath, and you'll often see ducks or geese drifting along. If you pause and look closely, tiny hidden waterfalls appear along the rocks. Little details you'd miss if you rush. Falls isn't just beautiful, it's peaceful, educational, and one of the best family spots in Maine. You get wildlife, stunning views, and the rare chance to see a river literally change direction. So if you're ever in Maine, add this place to your must-visit list. Bring a camera, maybe a picnic, and take your time watching the water transform. Because this is one of those places that reminds you just how incredible our planet really is. See you in the next adventure.